Hello everyone. Today, we're discussing The Pursuit of Happiness, directed by Gabriel Muccino. This film is based on the true story of Chris Gardner, a single father struggling to build a better life for himself and his son. We'll be analyzing the film's strengths, weaknesses, and key elements.
Films follow Chris Gardner's journey as he faced homelessness and struggled to become a successful stockbroker. Despite the challenge, Chris' determination and love for his son drive him to pursue his dreams. The movie explores themes of perseverance, fatherhood, and the American dream.
One of the film's strengths is Will Smith's powerful performance as Claire Garner. The cinematography effectively captures the gritty reality of Claire's life as a homeless person. However, since Phil overly dramatic and supporting characters could have been developed further.
We can include a clip from the movie where Chris Gardner is struggling to take care of his son in a homeless shelter. This scene showcases the challenge faced by many homeless people and the importance of empathy and understanding.
The Pursuit of Happiness is an inspiring film that showcases the power of determination and perseverance. While it has some minor flaws, the film's strengths make it a must-watch. We recommend it to anyone looking for a motivational story.